Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about Don't Bother EA. Don't Bother EA we have been trading since last 19 weeks, I guess. And this expert advisor is a powerful and advanced expert advisor with couple of exceptional features, with some very important features like flexible risk levels, right? So it has multiple risk levels sort of like we can choose from, like high risk level, medium risk level, low risk level, significant risk level, and many more. Like in case if you don't want to set up the EA expert advisor or do not want to customize it, then you can just choose the risk level and it will automatically trade according to your capital and according to your risk level. Okay, and it is just one chart installation. This expert advisor trades on three pairs. One is AUD NZD, AUD CAD, and AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and NZD CAD. Okay, these three pairs. And if you want to customize it, like you can do it in various ways. Like you can choose a lot customization where you can either trade with a fixed lot size, or you can either choose adapt your capital according. Lot size will be taking according to your capital, or you can let the EA manage the lot size and other settings based on the risk level that you choose. Okay, you can also manage your deposit load management, or drawdown control is there, and drawdown management is there. Then maximum lot size control, if you want to customize it accordingly, you can maximize, you can choose the maximum lot size that you would like to trade with. And then news filter integration is there. A news filter, there is an advanced news filter integration uh, with this expert advisor. And martingale strategy is an optional. If you want to choose that, you can choose. Then hedging is also optional, but yes, it is a grid trader. This is a grid trading system, and you can experience the precision and control of Don't Bother expert advisor, and you can maximize your potential for success in the dynamic forex market using this expert advisor. The minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 1000 US dollar or either equivalent. Okay, and the leverage that we would like to prefer is 1 is to 100 and higher. To 1 is to 100 or 1 is to 200, you can choose a lower risk level. And and if you're choosing the significant risk or the higher risk, then probably we need 1 is to 500 and above. In short, in case if your country or the broker allows 1 is to 500, then it is always better. Okay, so let's start from here. We started with 5000, and from 23rd of May we started trading. Okay, so let's go from here. And guys, I have already provided the MyFX book link in the video description of this expert advisor. You can choose to check the analysis, or like if you would like to analyze the trades, or if you want to do the statistical analysis or whatever, because MyFX book has the highest reputation in the forex world in terms of statistical tools and the statistical analysis that you can rely on, at least for the visual sake. Okay, so you can just click on that link, and you can just check whatever the trades that has been taken, and what was the outcome, what was the drawdown, what was the risk reward ratio, and whatever you want to see. So in last 19 weeks we made a profit of 2142, and if you want to see the running trade, there is one running trade right now. Okay, and let's go to the MyFX book page. Guys, here is the MyFX book page for Don't Bother EA. I have already provided you the link in the video description, and as you can see that we started trading on 23rd of May. Okay, and today is 6th of October. So this week we made 1.80, and today we made 0.58%, and this month is 1.80. This month has just started. Okay, and so far we made 42.84%. Monthly wise analytics, if you can see, like May 23rd of May we started, just 1 week, we made 1.04%. Then in June we made 8.14%. In July we made 9.12%. In August we made 9.13%. In September we made 7.85%, and this month that just started this week, we made 1.8% so far. Okay, and based on the analytics, the daily earning that we can make from this expert advisor so far with the setting is 0.26%. Monthly it is 8.08%, and the maximum drawdown that has been in the past 4.5 months, that is around 19 weeks, that is 15.09%. Okay, so guys, I have already provided you the link in the video description, and if you have any question about this expert advisor, you can feel free to contact me over email or via Telegram. I have already provided you both the details in the video description itself, and I have also provided you a link, like in case if you would like to see the videos of other expert advisors that I have uploaded in this channel. Feel free to click on that link and you can navigate to the playback to the playlist, in fact. Okay, and you can see the other videos of other expert advisors that I have uploaded in this channel. So feel free to contact me for those expert advisor or this expert advisor via email or Telegram, and look forward to talk to you soon with more expert advisor videos in the future. So have a great day, take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family.